What's going on? It's really hot out today, and I don't really want to ride because it's really hot out. And my pump isn't working, my insulin pump. So it's not a good day to ride. But I want to make a video because I'm bored. So, I'm going to do a bike check. Let's get into it. I'm going to start off with my front wheel. I have a Primo N4FL front hub with it's a female axle laced with Primo spokes and nipples to a kink Atlas rim. Then my front tire, I have Demolition Momentum 2.3, and my forks are just the stock stolen wrap fork that came with the bike. Headset's a stolen stock headset. Then I have a Profile Racing, Profile Push, Mark Mulville, I think that's how you pronounce his name, signature stem. I think it's a 53 millimeter, but I'm not positive. Then I have the stock stolen bars. They're okay. Everything is alright on my bike. Like, I like everything. The only thing I have to complain about with the bars is how wide they are. But it doesn't really bother me too much because I don't do bar spins or anything. I have the stock brake lever with some cable that I bought at a local bike shop. Then I have Shadow Deadbolt bar ends with Colt Vans grips. These are my favorite grips. I have these on my scooter. And this is the only grip I've ran on this bike since I bought it. And I have a stolen wrap frame. Then I have, we're gonna go to the pedals. I have stolen Thermalite pedals. They're alright. Stolen Mob cranks. And my sprocket is a stolen cartwheel. I hope to replace it soon with a tree sprocket. Then I have a stock KMC chain, or not a stock KMC chain. I bought it actually recently because my last KMC chain broke. Then with my seat, I have a really nice profile seat with a kink stealth seat post. And with the back wheel, I have a Shadow Raptor laced to a Shadow Corvus with Shadow spokes, I think. It's a male axle, but it's hollow, so I put like an Allen key or whatever in. And my brake pads, I have Odyssey Slim by 4. That's what they're called. And they're pretty noisy, but they work super nice, so I rather my brakes work really nice than them being really quiet. And also, it doesn't really wear down the paint as much, which is good, because that could actually ruin your rim.